Hello. You're welcome to this training. In this training, I'm going to be teaching you a simple step-by-step strategy that can use to start making money for yourself from the comfort of your home with your smartphone. And please note, it is important to watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on the gift I'm going to be giving at the end of this video. This same strategy is what I shared with this person here, this person, and this person, and I've used this to make a couple of money for themselves online. So if you are willing to watch this video to the end and implement this strategy, you might just be like one of them. So let's get down to the business of the day. Who am I and why should you listen to me? Well, my name is Bright Madoka. You can also call me Bright Chooks. That's what my students and mentees call me. Okay, I'm a content creator, an internet marketer, and a coach. Okay, but I've helped over 200 people to launch their affiliate marketing business from scratch and make a lot of money from it, even as a total newbie. Let's get down to the business of the day. What is affiliate marketing?
Affiliate marketing is just like any other business, which is for a business to occur, there must be buying and selling of products in the sense that nobody loses anything. That means that if you are buying a cap from me, I'll give you the cap, you give me money. In the end, both of us are happy, right? So that's the idea of business. That's what business means. So in a nutshell, affiliate marketing is a process of recommending helpful products or services that are not yours to an audience that needs them. Once a person buys, thanks to your marketing effort, you are getting paid a commission. These products have been created by top experts. Your job is to link buyers to the product using your unique affiliate link. So basically, affiliate marketing involves selling other people's products and getting paid a commission. As an affiliate marketer, you don't own a product. So it saves you the stress of having to create your own product, okay? Now, the good thing about this is that we practice affiliate marketing every day, but we don't know. Let's take for example, have you ever recommended a friend or a family member or anybody around you to use a particular eatery, car wash, barbing salon, etc? If yes, what you have simply done is called affiliate marketing, just that you never got paid a commission for recommending your friend to the business owner. So what kind of product do you actually sell as an affiliate marketer? Now there are two types of products. The first one is physical products and the second one is digital products. Now, physical products are the products you already know. You buy them for the use, just like your cars, your shoes, your plates, your houses. You buy this stuff because you want to use them, okay? But now, digital products are high value knowledge products, okay? You buy this product because of the knowledge you want to get from them. And they can be packaged in form of videos, PDF, MP3, ebooks, and uploaded on the internet for you, okay? So now you don't have to ship from state to state or from country to country. Everything is delivered online. These are digital products for you. But for physical products, you have to deliver it to the person, okay? But now digital products are all delivered online. Everything is done online. In short, you can call them online courses.
Now, how can you actually start affiliate marketing? As regards to this video, we are going to be focusing on digital products because that's what I and my students sell and make lots of money from it because of the high amount of commission we earn per product we sell. So now, how do you actually start affiliate marketing? Well, it's very simple. There are just four basic steps.
And the first one is to pick an affiliate network, pick a product to sell, copy your affiliate link, and then start selling. I will explain them in details one by one so you understand them and how everything works. So now, what is an affiliate network? An affiliate network are those companies that houses this product that you want to sell. There are those companies that houses those products that are not yours that you can sell as an affiliate, okay? Affiliate companies like Jumia, Airbnb, they promote physical products, okay? Just like Jumia sell clothes, ring lights, your shoes, and lots of them. On Airbnb, they solve accommodation problems. While affiliate companies like Clickbank, JVZoo, and Digitstem promote digital products. Signing up to these affiliate companies, one will have access to lots of products to promote and earn good commissions as high as 50 to 80%. As regards to this training, I will focus more on Digitstem affiliate marketing. Now, the second step is to pick a product to sell. Now, when you have found out an affiliate platform you want to sign up with, okay, the next thing is to pick a product to sell. In order to earn good money from affiliate marketing, you have to pick a hot product. A hot product are products that are in high demand by people. So that way, it will take you less stress to sell them. Now, on Digitstem, there are lots of products one can sell and earn good commissions from selling them. So just pick a product and start selling. So imagine selling a product that pays you at least 20k commission. Now you just need to sell like five of that particular product to make 100k. And imagine selling that in a week or even in a month, you make 100k just by selling that. So that's simply how affiliate marketing works. And the good thing about Digitstem is that you can earn commissions as high as 50% upwards selling this product. That's why I always prefer digital product to physical product, because most physical products have a fixed price and you can't get much commission selling that. But when I sell a digital product, you can actually get commissions as high as 50% while selling them. Now, the next step is to copy your affiliate link. Now, you might be wondering, what is this affiliate link that people are talking about? What is affiliate link? When you make sales, your sales are being tracked with your affiliate link. Affiliate links are unique links that are used to track your sales. This means that every affiliate link is different from that of another affiliate. My affiliate link is different from yours. So your link is what you use to give to your buyer to use to purchase that particular product, and the link will be used to track your commission to your dashboard. Then you get paid.
Now the last step is to start selling. Now how do you sell? There are different ways to sell this product. You can sell using the paid traffic or organic traffic. The paid traffic is when you are spending to reach that audience you are looking for. It can be Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Google ads, YouTube ads, and lots of them. Okay. The organic traffic is when you are getting it for free without paying anybody, without running ads or stuff. You're getting it for free.
There are many ways to sell this product. Okay, anywhere there's an audience, there is someone interested in your product. The first one is by Facebook or Instagram ads. Okay, you drive traffic from your Facebook or Instagram ads to your email marketing. Let me give you an example of email marketing. If you have signed up on Piggyvest or all these loan apps, if you notice, they will keep sending you follow-up emails to your email telling you that, do you like this offer? This is an amazing offer. Do this, do that. They are trying to sell something to you. They are trying to sell an offer to you. They are trying to sell a service to you. So this is just simply how they do it. Okay. So this is email marketing for you. But then you don't need to worry. As a noob in the online space, you don't need to worry about email marketing. You can use your WhatsApp to generate lots of sales for your affiliate products. Lots of people think that you can't make money on WhatsApp. Some people will just be there and on their WhatsApp and be catching crews. They don't know that you can use your WhatsApp and be making lots of money from there. Your WhatsApp is a very powerful tool to generate massive traffic for your affiliate product, okay? And then you don't even need much skills to do this. You simply have to learn the exact strategy to do this, and then you see yourself excelling perfectly well in this business. But this WhatsApp marketing, you don't need to worry. I'm going to be teaching you how to drive massive traffic to your WhatsApp and make lots of sales with this business. Here are some of my results from affiliate marketing. This was when I started affiliate marketing newly. Within 2 weeks, I was able to make 30,000 naira. As you can look here, you will see it here, 30,000 naira. Okay, and if you're wondering if it's paid into my account, it was paid into my account. Look at it here. Okay, and I kept receiving the same exact payment.
So this is how my dashboard looks on Digitstem. This is $1,733, and the balance up here is the balance that are yet to pay me. The balance of the sale I just made this morning. So let's change this to naira and see how much it is. So now this is over 866,000 naira, which has been paid to my bank account by Digitstem as at the time of recording this training.
So here are some of my students that I'm coaching in my mentorship. Look at this person. He says, hello Bright, after that one sale I made yesterday, I made extra 2 sales. I'm so happy. Okay, this is just my student thanking me for sales, showing me her sales details, because most times they used to update me on their progress. Now this one is Coach Bright. I'm almost there. Your challenges has to make $100 in 7 days, and I've made $80 in 5 days. Just said I should update you. Alright, this is the challenge I always put out for my students. I always challenge them to make more money for themselves, because one of the best ways to make money in affiliate marketing is to give yourself a task. Tell yourself how much you want to make in a week, and then you work towards achieving them. So now I used to give my students challenges that they should keep up with. So now I challenged her to make $100 in 7 days, and she was able to make $80 in 5 days. And now she's updating me here. This is her same here. She still came back. She said, Boss Bright, your challenge was $100 in a week, right? Well, this is $130 in 6 days. Thank you for challenging me to do better. I'm so happy. Alright, as you can see here, she made $130 in 1 week only. Now look at this. These are some others this business is working for. This is peculiar. Okay. Now look at her dashboard here. You can see her balance on this system. She has been paid $250. These are paid balance. As you can see here, 125k paid directly to her account. Look at the date. This is 20th August 2022. Now this is her available balance, $300, which was paid to her this week. So as you can look here, you can see it's 148,000 naira paid 27th August 2022. So you can see that she did this sales within 2 weeks, in the space of 2 weeks. Now calculate the two of them. 125,000 naira plus 140,000 naira is how much? This is 265,000 naira just in 2 weeks from our affiliate marketing business. Now look at some of other of my students that this business is working for. Now this is Felix. Felix said, but I never know the person. Okay, I said congratulations, bro. That's the lifestyle. Thanks, but me, it's all your effort and encouragement. Yeah, my effort and encouragement. First sale in 3 weeks. Yeah, so he made his first sale. He didn't even know who bought the product from him. After I shared strategies with him on how he can market his product effectively. And what I do with my students is that once you're listening to what I'm teaching you and you're getting results, I will share crazy ideas with you that will help you to scale up. That means if you're making 10,000 naira weekly from your affiliate marketing business, I will share ideas with you so you can start making at least 30,000 naira every week or 40,000 naira every week in your business. Now, this is another person, Deborah. She made 80,000 naira in 1 week from her affiliate marketing business on Digitstem. As you can see here, payment alert, boom. So I have a mentorship group where I share updates to my students. Okay, in my mentorship group, that's where they post their alerts, they post their testimonies in the group. In the community, that's where I group my students. They share their ideas to encourage others to go from scratch. So now you can see here, she said it wouldn't have been possible without you, Bright. This, she tagged me here. The soap with the cut strong. My Saturday payment just entered. I know some of you will be thinking maybe it's Photoshop or anything, although you won't believe it until you start. So these are payments from Digitstem affiliate marketing. Now look at here again. On Expertnia, she made two sales. She say made two sales today. Thank you. She tagged me. You are the best. And that was the team paid her 40,000 naira in commission from just selling two products only. Just two products, 40,000 naira. That means she sold the product that is paying her 20,000 naira commission each. And now these are other of my students telling her congratulations, wow, congrats, and other people. I couldn't put inside the whole pictures here, but other of my students in the WhatsApp group, as you can see, Charles student and Meguchanaka, all of them telling her congrats in the WhatsApp group. So before I proceed to how we can start on Digitstem, I want to warn you, this business is not actually for everybody.
This business will not work for you if you are a lazy person. So if you are lazy, I will recommend you stop watching this training right now and get back to what you were doing before. If you are always looking for a way to get rich quick overnight without doing any work, then this business will not work for you because you can't make money with the wrong mindset. Or if you are a Ponzi person, if you are this kind of people that are addicted to Ponzi, like you are looking for a way to put 2K and make 1 million overnight without doing any work, then this business will not work for you. So I recommend you stop watching this video right now and get back to what you were doing before. But if you are still here with me, that means that you are not like this and you are willing to learn. So how do you actually get started with Digitstem? Now, there are two simple ways to get started with Digitstem affiliate marketing. The first way is go to digitstem.com and sign up with the 5K package to get access to your affiliate account. But no, I don't recommend this to anyone because you are a newbie unless you are an expert already. But if you are a newbie, forget that one. The second way is the best way to get started. Now, this system has created a step-by-step training program that actually teaches you how to sell these affiliate products effectively. Just like I told you, what to sell are digital products, online courses, and it's not the same way you sell your cars, your shoes that you sell these online courses. No, you need some skills to start marketing them effectively. Skills like copywriting, Facebook ads, sales and closing, landing page design, graphic design, and lots of them.
So now here are some things you learn in the course. In the course, you'll be learning the 7-figure mindset that will build a profitable business that will make you steady income every week. The step-by-step framework to make your first sale in less than 21 days. Done for you lead magnet to give away to increase your affiliate sales. Done for you copy headlines for writing copy and headlines. How to position yourself to get people to beg you to buy your product. How to drive massive traffic to your affiliate product. How to pick a hot product that will guarantee you massive sales. The secret objection handling formula that will take away money from the pocket of your clients without having to beg them or force them. How to convert your WhatsApp into a cash machine. How to run Facebook ads. How to run Instagram ads. Web designing. How to build landing pages with your mobile phone. Graphic designing. The easiest funnel to convert your prospects to buyers in less than 14 days. How to start a YouTube channel that pays you in dollars monthly with your mobile phone. how to create a blog that ranks on Google with your smartphone, access to official Digitstem support group on Telegram. Now, this is what you'll be getting from this course and lots of them. Okay, so I told you that this course is everything you need to make money in affiliate marketing on Digitstem. And now the good thing about it is that Digitstem offers a support group for their affiliates. In that support group, they will hold weekly classes for you where they teach you what to do in your business. That means if you are facing any challenges in your business, you can come to the class and tell them what you are passing through, and they will see you through that. This is this access to their Digitstem support group on Telegram.
If you're learning these skills one by one, it's going to cost you a lot of money, right? You can go to Google and browse how much it costs to learn Facebook ads, how much it costs to learn web design and stuff like that. You see that it's going to cost you a lot of money. But now this time compiled everything in this particular course for just 20,000 naira currently. The thing is that it doesn't have a steady price, because the more they increase the value of the course, the more they increase the price. So it doesn't have a steady price, okay? So this is the best for every total newbie to get started with. And the best thing about it is that once you get this particular course, you are getting your affiliate account for free. That means that you don't have to follow step one again. You don't have to pay 5K again. All right. So aside that, I said I'll be giving out a free bonus in the beginning of this training. Now, aside getting the course, I have my own personal strategies that I share with my students and mentees that has helped them to generate good results for themselves.
One is free access to my mentorship group. The same mentorship group that I showed you in this class, where I coach my students on what to do in affiliate marketing to succeed faster. You know, in this marketing, some people are making 5K per week, some are making 10K per week. Okay, but in my mentorship group, I'm going to show you how you can make lots of money from affiliate marketing. Once you're willing to learn, and this is what I'm going to teach you. Now, I will share hot product that I share with my students that will make such lots of money online. Okay, now in order to make big money from affiliate marketing, you have to pick hot products. Okay, hot products are products that are in high demand by people. So for you to make crazy money from affiliate marketing, you have to pick hot products. So I will share hot products from Digitstem that you can sell and make lots of money from it. That's the same hot product I share with my students. Now, you'll be getting access to the recordings of my previous classes with my students. Okay, I hold mentorship classes for my students every week, every single week. In the mentorship classes, that is where I cut soap for them. That is where I share for them what they need to do to make money in affiliate marketing. So you'll be getting access to the previous recordings of the classes. Okay, and lots more offers. That is where you join my inner circle. I have lots of things I teach them. If there's any new updates, I used to teach it, share it with them.
So now, how do you become my student? People that are not my students pay me 30K for mentorship, but because you are getting this training with my unique link, only my unique link gives you access to my mentorship. So once you get this training with this unique link showing here on your screen, you'll be getting access to all these offers I mentioned. Okay.
So these are the frequently asked questions. Is this same affiliate marketing referral based? No. You're not referring anybody. You don't need to refer anybody to make money. You simply pick a product and sell. What if I'm not a social media person? It doesn't matter. I have students that are shy. They used to be shy, but now they're making lots of money from affiliate marketing. In fact, they're making thousands of naira from affiliate marketing. Do I need a laptop to get started? No, you don't need a laptop to get started at all. Once you have a mobile phone and a data connection, you can do affiliate marketing and make lots of money from it. Can I register for free and pay back after making money? No. The registration is a one-time payment to the website, okay? So once you register on the platform, you are good to go. Will I make another payment after getting the course? No. Once you get the course, you are getting your account for free, okay? So you're not making any other payments again. The course comes with a free account, so you don't need to make any other payments again. Is it a guarantee that I will make money in this business? Yes, it's a guarantee that you make money in this business. But this is what I want to tell you. You must be open to learning, because one of the problems I have with my students is that some of them are not willing to learn. Okay, some people can't actually calm down to learn. Some will just come here and want to make 1 million naira overnight. No, that's not how it's done. You should be open to learning and teachable. You should be someone that is willing to listen and listen to what they have to teach them. So if I'm teaching you what to do, listen to me and do it. So if you're not teachable, I can't guarantee you. But if you're someone that is willing to learn, yes, it's a guarantee. You make lots of money from this business. The last frequently asked question is, how is the payment method for registration? Okay, it's either you register directly on the platform or you message me on WhatsApp for assistance. Okay, I will give you my unique link that will give you access to my mentorship. That's the only way you can get access to my mentorship, with my unique link.
So head over to my WhatsApp. If you still have questions, use the number on the screen to message me on WhatsApp and we can proceed from there. See you on this side and good luck to you.